Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this triangle scarf. It's very easy to make. I use 4 lines, the first one being single crochet, half double crochet, the second one, the third one double crochet, and the fourth one triple crochet. So we just alternate the 4 lines and to make the scarf. I'm going to use L peanut collar. It's about 600 meters, 200 grams. First off, I'm going to make a slip knot, and then I'm going to chain 4, 3, 4, and then I'm going to join my work with a slip knot, then chain 1, and this is where the pattern begins. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and 3 single crochets in the center, and then chain 1, and then do 3 more single crochets into the center. Use a stitch marker to mark where you've done a chain 1 because you don't want to miss it. That's why you're going to make your triangle, and then you're going to finish with your 2 single crochets. So that's your first row. That's done. The second row is a half double crochet, and then you 3 half double crochet at the beginning in the same stitch, and then half double crochet in the next stitches. There are 2 until you reach where you have your stitch marker, and then you half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet in the same stitch, replace your marker, and then continue with half double crochet to the end. And then you 3 half double crochet on the very last the chain 1 that you did earlier. That's the very last stitch. Three, then you chain 3. Now you're going to do a double crochet, not a half double crochet, a double crochet. So you do 3 double crochets at the beginning, 2, 3, and then you continue to where you have your stitch marker, doing a double crochet in each stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch, and when you get to the stitch marker, you do 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and then you continue 1 double crochet in each stitch till the end. Don't forget to replace your stitch marker. Once you reach the end, you double crochet 3 times at the end. 1, 2, 3. Then you chain 4 to do your triple crochet. Three, 4, and then you turn your work, and then you do 3 triple crochets in the first stitch. Once you triple crochet in the first stitch, you continue 1 triple crochet in each stitch until you reach the middle. Then you triple crochet, chain 1, and then triple crochet in the same stitch again. and then you continue until the end. 1 triple crochet in each stitch, and then you 3 triple crochet in the very last chain. Don't mind me, I forgot to put my stitch marker back. Okay, once you're done, you chain 1, and we're going to repeat the same 4 lines over and over again. So you always start with 3, and then you will single crochet to the stitch marker, then you single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, then you continue single crocheting until the end. If you're experienced, you may not need to put the stitch marker, but it's up to you. Till the end. Once you reach the end, you 3 single crochet in the last chain, and then you start your second row, and you start your second row with the chain 2. So you chain 2, turn your work, 3 half double crochets, and then half double crochets to the stitch marker, and then you half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, and then you continue 1 double crochet in each stitch until the end. At the end, the very last chain, you 3 half double crochets, then chain 3, turn your work, and then you double crochet 3 times at the beginning, chain 1, and then repeat. I was being lazy removing the stitch marker, but it's always better to remove the stitch marker. Okay, then continue, and then 3 double crochets at the end, and then the 4th, your 8th row, you chain 2, 3, 4. That's your triple crochet. 3 triple crochet in the first, so you do 3, continue to the middle, and then 1 triple crochet, chain 1, 1 triple crochet, then continue to the end. So these 4 lines are literally the whole pattern, and if you continue, your work is going to increase on its own. You don't need to do anything else. This is it. So repeat the 3 at the beginning, 3 at the end, and the V stitch at the middle, the 1 stitch and chain 1. That's it. So now my work is finished. When I saw my yarn was running out and I was not able to do all the 4 lines, I just finished with a single crochet to make the edging, and that's it. Look at how it looks. Very nice. Once you're done, you weave in ends, and then we're gonna block the work. This is acrylic yarn, and I steam. At first I used to block with water and pins, but it never used to work. So now I just steam. You can use a steamer. I use an iron. So I'm not ironing, I'm just pressing the steam on top and flattening my work so that it looks flat and neat. It loosens the yarn and it makes it look nice and neat. And that's what you do. So you do it throughout your work, and voila. And this is the end result after blocking the work. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with new patterns, as well as follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are below.